Hi YouTube, it's Bethany from Madeline Jean Antiques and Restoration. In this video, I'm going to do my third video in my Back to Basics series. So if you've been following me, you know I've been starting to do some beginning videos on if you're just starting out with refinishing, restoring, DIYing, painting, upcycling furniture. I'm trying to give you the basic tools and methods that you'll need to accomplish those goals. So this video, I'm going to teach you my Nylon Booty Method. It sounds a little kooky, a little crazy, but this works when I apply my water-based top coats and my oil-based top coats. So in this room that we're in right now, this is my laundry room / Christmas storage area, but it also works for me to apply all my top coats. So within my laundry room, I can regulate the temperature and the humidity in here, which is huge. So keep that in mind when you're applying any top coats, water-based or oil-based. Two factors you need to keep in mind: the temperature and the humidity. Look at the back of the can, whatever product that you're using, and it usually has an ideal temperature and humidity range. I have a digital thermometer in here, so I know at all times where I'm at, and I've got a couple doors here where I can enclose this area and get it to the temperature that I need it to be. So with that said, I'm going to show you guys how I do this method. Trust me, it works. I've been doing this for many, many years, and I have a more in-depth video, kind of in the depths of my videos. If you go way back, you'll see one titled The Nylon Booty Method, but this one's going to be short. I filmed this video actually late last night, so I didn't do any talking. So I'm going to narrate it for you. You'll be able to hear my instructions and why I'm doing it a certain way. My daughter was asleep last night. I think I made this video at like 10:30, so I didn't want to disrupt her. Her room is right above here, so that's why I did it that way. But behind me is a antique dresser that I am right now in the process of repurposing into a bathroom vanity. Never done this before, so last night I was down here applying my top coat and I thought, oh my gosh, maybe I should do my back to basics video on how to apply a top coat with a 2-inch foam brush and a nylon booty. So I'm going to get right into that right now. This is the product I selected as my top coat for this bathroom vanity. You can get it on Amazon or at Lowe's. I'll put the link below the video description. Okay, let's get started with showing you the infamous nylon booty method. So I have a 2-inch foam brush. There's that nylon foot booty. And what you're simply going to do is open up the foot booty and you're going to place it over that 2-inch foam brush. And what I need you to do is kind of stretch the toe part, where your toes would be in the nylon booty, up over the back of the foam brush. So it's covered like that, and you're holding it with your thumb. Okay, first things first, stirring your top coat. Always stir it very slowly. Never shake your can of top coat. It'll create bubbles and you don't want that. That's what this top coat looks like. This is actually the first time I'm using this particular product. Pretty excited to get started here. A second helpful must-do, you need to make sure your surface is completely free of any debris and sand dust before you apply any top coat. Okay, let's get started here. So I'm going to show you in real time me applying this top coat, and then later on I'll show you a time-lapse video. So I simply dip the brush in the product, and you're going to see me place my first dab there just a little bit in from the edge. I've learned to do that in the past. If I place it right there on the edge, it's going to drip down the side, and that is a huge headache. So that's why I do that. And then I simply just apply the product liberally along the length of the top. And then you'll see me, once I get to that final edge on the other side, I'm going to take one big swoop from one side to the other side. And the reason why I'm doing that is I want to get rid of any brush strokes and start and stop marks. Now, what the nylon booty is doing with top coats, any type of top coat, oil-based or water-based, sometimes, more often than not, little bubbles appear as you're applying the top coat. And what the Nylon Booty does is it ensures that you're going to get an absolutely smooth application of your top coat, because that Nylon Booty is mesh and it actually kind of pops those bubbles as you pull it across your piece of furniture. Here you see me dabbing again a little bit in from the edge and bringing that product all the way across. And if you notice, because we cut out a hole for the sink to sit in, I gotta just do little sections now instead of one big long section from left to right. This actually is easier to apply. I'm just doing these smaller sections, and I'm doing it the same way I would do a larger section. I'm still doing that one swoop all the way from one edge all the way to the next, because we really want to ensure that we got one cohesive brush stroke. Okay, what I'm going to show you next, oftentimes the Nylon Booty will get saturated at some point, and you're going to need to stretch it out and pull a dry section of the Nylon Booty over the brush. I'm going to show you how I do that here. It sounds complicated, it's not. So what you're going to do is take it, pull it up, and drag it back over and hold it with your thumb. So I just pulled a drier section of the Nylon Booty to start to work with it again. I'm going to quickly talk about this top coat. This is the first time I've used this marine finish SPAR varnish by RUST-OLEUM. I gotta say, I'm really impressed with how easy it's going on. It is thicker, so if you're used to using a thinner poly, this is gonna feel like maple syrup. It is thick and it drags a bit, but I am liking how it's just slightly ambering the wood. It's lighter than I'm used to. Usually when I put a top coat on, it really ambers the wood a deep color, and I'm getting more of a blonde finish here, which I'm really enjoying. Usually I will go through one Nylon Booty each time I apply a top coat. We're going to speed up the film here because this took me a little bit. So here you see it going on. It's going on flawlessly. And I'm telling you, no bubbles, no streaks, it's going on like glass. Wait till you see the close-up video next. You're going to be amazed. So here's what this product looks like using the Nylon Booty method after one coat. I am really happy with the results. This dresser is old. It's really soaking up the top coat, so I anticipate at least 3 coats that I'm going to put on the top of this piece, maybe a little more. Again, this is going in my bathroom, so I need it to be super durable. And here is what the top coat looks like with just 2 coats. Do you see the difference? Now it has that glass mirror-like finish. It's gorgeous. And again, I get the finish that I do. It's because I put this Nylon Booty on a foam brush. It looks like I sprayed the finish on. It is truly flawless. Okay, that concludes this video on my Back to Basics series on learning how to use the Nylon Booty method. If you guys have enjoyed this video, please give it a like. And if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, that subscribe button is in the lower right hand corner. Just click on it and make sure you ring the bell, then you'll be updated every time I upload a new video. Oh, 2 reminders, I will be uploading a full tutorial video on how this bathroom vanity is being transformed, so it's going to give you a step-by-step on how it's being done. And also, you guys, I've got huge news. Next Wednesday, December 6th, remember to check me out on the History Channel. I'm on Pawn Stars Do America.